Alright, so this is the Kia Sportage, which now has a completely flat tyre. And we see exactly where the problem is right there. How well you can focus on that. And I have seen an awful lot of this happening over the past few weeks, not just to, well, not Kias, but a lot of other cars. Doesn't matter what car it is, any car really. Debris from the road getting caught in tyres and just completely wiping out the tyre. So this needs a complete tyre rechange, which we're going to do now. I'm not sure how much we'll catch on camera because it's getting dark, so we'll try and crack on and be as quick as possible. Oh, but it's a 2016 Kia Sportage Mark IV. It's the wife that is actually driving it. I've come to the rescue in my VW Golf GTI. So let's crack on.
Doctors, I was like, why is that flipping warning light on? And I thought it was going to be a fault, but it was well, it was just on 25, but it was fine until I got to the garage. And then when I came out of work, I was like, oh, you're actually joking.
You hold that.
In my car and for hours on guitar. Come let me hear and soothe my referee. You are the notes inside my head. I must have dreamt of you while laying peacefully in bed. There's no trying to deny it. It's impossible to fight it. So untie me and unwind me like a thread. Keep whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Whistling your name. Like a song. You are the greatest antidote to end.
What damaged wheel off?
Where is it? Where's the problem area?
There it is.
I don't think I would have seen that.
Anyway, that's that. 50 miles an hour is your limit on this wheel.
No, I know. I'm gonna go down at what's it called?
ATS.
Yeah, tomorrow. I would never have got there today anyway, would I? Like, your tyres are too flat.
It's when you hold me, I can sing without a care. Keep whistling your name. Keep whistling your name. Whistling your name. Keep whistling your name.
Good to go.
That was quick.
Because I'm a champion, I turn tragedy to triumph.
Stick that in then. Thanks, Al. Got you some